thing I want to advise Kikuyus to just monitor closely the Somalis. Monitor closely the Somalis. The agenda is not in Ruto. The main dangerous agenda for the Kikuyus is the Somalis. You see now the Somalis, what they are doing, they have established a new city. It is a new city.
Yeah, I noticed
a complete
that.
New city.
Yeah.
Railway City is starting very soon.
Railway City?
Railway City.
Where will that be?
Railway City Modhurwa, going to Makongeni, going to the most part of the railway.
Yeah, the Landis Road.
The Landis, all that.
Yeah.
They are going to build a city. And who is behind it? Who is pushing for it? Uhuru was in it, but the Somalis. That is why you saw the commotion between Wanjiro and the parking. And then he's saying the land was grabbed. It was not a grabbed land. There is a system that was brought there. So that this system will work for the city to build, how to build that city. Now they are there, they are working.
So for you, you would tell the Kikuyus that even as they continue maybe supporting this agenda, they should be mindful.
One thing the Kikuyus must know, they are not in the government. They are not in the government. Akina Ndindi Nyoro, akina naito nani? Kimani Ichung'wah, they must now realize they are not in the government. Ruto finished with them long time ago. But they are working together because Ruto wants to balance until the second term. He gets the second term. But for now, the Kikuyu agenda is not in the mind of Ruto. What is in the mind of Ruto is the Luos, the Kalenjins, the Luyas, all kind of thing. He is consolidating. And again, at the same time, destroying the infrastructure of the Kikuyu, that the Kikuyus will never have a president anymore. Then the Muslims, who is most likely Duale will be the running mate, to Ruto, because the Somalis have increased their population. Kikuyu population is not that thing that you just brag around with.
But sorry to cut you short, but according to the statistics, Kikuyus have at least 8, I think above that.
Yes.
They are the biggest, they have the biggest population in the country.
Yes.
The Somali are around position 5 up on around 7 million people.
But that is what Ruto needs. If he backs in the Kalenjin, he gets the Luyas and he gets the Luos, and then he has the Somalis. Somalis have increased have money, and they have increased their population. You know, the agenda of the Somalis, they followed the Abuja Declaration, that every man was pushed to marry like 4 wives, and then get 8 children. That you find one man has 32. It is an agenda that was pushed through the Muslim Brotherhood. And then they raised a lot of money that they are supporting businesses. Those who meza want to support businesses so that they can grow the capital base and the population base. Then at the same time as they were growing their population, they were also growing the capital base, that is finances, and then they grew the power. And the first thing, they didn't go for the bigger power. They went for the security power. You find Duale ako kwa jeshi, ukienda kwa CID ni wao, ukienda intelligence ni wao, ukienda the strategic plan, economic plan, strategic economic plan, anaitwa Adam ako State House. Huyo sasa ndio kusema, si minister na si governor, huyo sasa ndio kusema. You find wameshika economy na wameshika